Hello everyone, did you miss me? I'm your host Jeremy Fourna and I'm here to present Spryker new product release. It is packed with a lot of features because it is an 8 months long product release, so stay tuned. This release theme is return management. You ask for it, we deliver. Now a customer, a back office user and a customer support via our Agent Assist feature can create a return for past order. When creating a return, you can see if the product is returnable or not and provide a reason as to why you want to return the product. Remember the time when you needed a developer to change the email in Spryker? Those days are now over. All the emails are now available as CMS block. You can change the different template you want to use, you can change the content directly inside the back office, and they will be sent right away to your customers. Let's talk about data import. First, we improved our documentation to help you find information you're looking for when designing but also using our data import. Second, we now use what we call a configuration file to allow you to define in which order you want to import your data, but also to specify where your files are located to be imported. And another improvement is that you can now combine multiple CSV files into one to allow you to import your data way much faster. Now let's talk about data export. You can now export your order item and order expenses to CSVs. You can select from which store you want to export the orders, but also from which date range you want to export them. Our multi-store feature saw 2 new additions to the family. Product Relation and Product Label now support multi-store. We improve our request for quote feature by integrating shipment cost inside. So your customer will be able to go through the checkout and on the summary page decide to create a request for quote. This will include the shipment cost and allow you to give them a better offer. So your B2B shoppers can now define their custom order reference when placing an order in Spryker to allow them to reconcile your shopping experience in Spryker and their internal purchase process. Your customer can now search their past orders and filter them by SKU and name to find all the orders that match a certain SKU and allow them to reorder them faster. Are your customers wondering about the current state of their orders? If yes, you can now display the current sales order item status inside their order detail page. This works with our state machine, so you can use the same name for multiple status or use different ones when you want the customer to really understand what is going on. Spryker supports order cancellation out of the box. You can define a time-based period for your customer to be able to cancel their orders or works with your current state machine. You can now generate an invoice inside your OMS process. When an invoice is generated, it's going to be sent to your customer via email. Our order threshold feature has been improved. We support now a maximum order threshold. Your customer cannot place an order that goes above this threshold. Our navigation feature now uses the power of our CMS. You can now use different navigation on different stores and allow your customer to also view different navigation for different locations. The back office menu has been revamped. It is now easier to work with on a daily basis. Wondering how to make add to cart even faster? Add into cart from the catalog page. Now for all the products that do not have variant, they can be added from the category page or the search directly to the cart. Signing up on the Spryker website now supports double opt-in. When a customer signs up, he will receive an email where he will need to click a link to validate his account. Unless this action is performed, the customer will not be able to log in or to complete his checkout. In this product release, various API endpoints have been created or updated. check our documentation to see which one can impact your project in a good way. That is all for this product release. Take care of yourself, wear your mask, and do not forget to share the Spryker love.